In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to Google Slides, perfect for incorporating voiceover narration and sounds. Whether you're a teacher designing an interactive lesson or a student aiming to make a dynamic presentation, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Slides. If you've never used Google Slides before, you'll find it at docs.google.com/presentation. Once you arrive on this page, the first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Google account. Be sure to use the account that holds the presentations you'd like to enhance with audio. If you're already logged in, you're ready to go straight to the Google Slides homepage. Now that you're on your homepage, decide whether to start a new presentation or open an existing one. For this tutorial, let's create a new presentation. To do this, simply click on Blank Presentation. This will open a fresh canvas where you can craft your slides from scratch. With your presentation set up, it's time to add some audio. Start by clicking on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear offering various options of things you can add to your slides, everything from text boxes to images, but we're focusing on audio today. The best way to add audio is to use the video option, so click on that. While it might seem unusual to choose video when we're discussing audio, Google Slides integrates audio as video files containing only the sound. Once you click video, a window will pop up where you can search for a file. You can either select a file from your Google Drive or paste in a YouTube link if the audio is hosted there. Make sure that your audio file is already uploaded to your drive if you plan to use that option. Once your file is selected, click Insert. Your audio is now embedded right into your slide. You'll see a video box has appeared. You can resize and move it around to fit your slide perfectly. Although technically a video, this box will play the audio for your slide without showing any visuals. Don't forget to fine-tune your audio settings. Click on the audio icon and select Format Options from the toolbar. Here you can adjust settings like the playback method, whether you want it to start automatically or when you click, and the volume level. And there you have it. Your presentation is now audibly enhanced and ready to captivate your audience. Adding audio can make your Google Slides presentation more engaging and interactive, bringing your material to life. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps elevate your projects.